Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you all a quick hairstyle, and I have been wearing my hair in this wash and go for a couple of days. I've been loving it. My hair has been super soft and moisturized. Well, my name is thebubsbee. You probably didn't know because I didn't introduce myself. Hi, and welcome to my channel. And like I said, I've been wearing this wash and go for a couple of days, and this is typically the hairstyle I'll go for because my hair tends to shrink up in this Florida heat right now. That's where I'm residing, and I just love wearing different color scarves and just letting my fro and my wash and go just do its own thing. But I said, hey, let's do a hairstyle, a quick hairstyle. Let me give you guys a style that's super easy to do. And to achieve this great wash and go, I use products from Uncle Funky's daughter. All right, I have a whole video on it. You can check it out on my Instagram, but I did use their super curl and their curly magic. I would like to mention that I am partnering with Uncle Funky's daughter in this video. So definitely, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you think of the hairstyle once it's over. So I will be using the Uncle Funky's daughter Ultimate Kinky Curly Travel Kit, which is perfect for on the go. If you want to do a quick refresh, a different hairstyle, if you want to restyle the hair into a whole new look, this kit is going to be perfect for you. Okay, it does contain the Midnight Train, that's a leave-in conditioner. It has the Super Curl, which is their Miracle Moisture Cream. Also, it has the Extra Butter, which is a curl forming cream. It has their Curly Magic, which is, the amazing curl stimulator. It's gonna give great defined results. And then also they have another leave-in conditioner, which is their Curl Revitalizer. It's the Thirsty Curls. So whatever you need for on the run, whatever you need while you're on the go, this is going to be the kit for you. You can take this wherever you need, and this is going to be essential to your natural hair regimen. All right, so I have all my products here, and I have some accessories, okay, combs, brushes, clips, and we're gonna get this hairstyle started. So like I said, my hair is already very soft and moisturized. I just use scarves just to tie and pull my hair back just to add to my wash and go. All right, when I did have this wash and go initially, I had a gorgeous stretch wash and go because I stretched it out with my blow dryer. But like I said, the humidity here in Florida is on a different level. My hair will just shrink up. So I'm thinking I might do like a bangs and like a puff, bangs and puff. Yeah, I think that's a good, quick hairstyle that anyone can do. I didn't want to do anything too detailed. I wanted a quick on-the-go hairstyle so you can use your on-the-go kit. You get it? Okay, let's just get started. So to manipulate my hair, I'm going to first use some of the Thirsty Curls. I could either use the Midnight Train or the Thirsty Curls. I'm just gonna go with the Thirsty Curls today and just spray my hair down. I don't want to drench it. I don't want to lose the definition. I just want to make sure that I can move it and manipulate it how I want to. Now I'm just gonna part off a section for my bangs. I'm going to just clip this section out the way. Now we're gonna work on this back section. So like I mentioned, I did use the super curl to achieve this wash and go, but I'm actually just gonna go in with the extra butter to add extra moisture. So I'm just going to apply some of this on the perimeter of my hair. Okay, I love the texture of this. I love how creamy it is. So I'm just going to apply a good layer of this around the perimeter of my head. So to add a little bit of hold, I'm gonna go in with a tad bit of the Curly Magic. I'm just adding this for some extra shine, like I said, some hold. Also some smoothness, okay? I want my hair to lay very sleek and smooth. So I'm not gonna use too much of this at all. So mainly for the sides and the back. And if I did feel like my hair was losing definition, I would definitely go back in with that super curl and the curly magic and apply a little bit to the ends and twirl the ends around my finger to enhance the curl and promote that curl to come right back. But for me, I'm loving how my hair is looking. So I'm just gonna use a stiff brush and start to brush my hair upward because I want a high puff. Now, taking my hair ties, I'm just going to create my puff. You guys know how to do a puff. We all know how to do a puff, okay? Tighten it. Okay, very good. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the curly magic to my edges because my edges are coming back in full force, so they're at a different length than the rest of my hair, but that's okay. Just smooth it in. Definitely, if you want this to look even neater, lay down a scarf, okay? Right before you have to leave, tie a scarf on there, girl, do your makeup, all right, get dressed, all of that, get ready to go. Then you can take it off before you get out the door. Now, I'm gonna take off this bang section, the section I'm gonna use for my bang. And I made sure to get a lot of hair because I really want it to blend with the puff and look seamless and look like one. Now, to really create real bangs for my kinky hair and for my hair to lay on my forehead, I gotta go in with some bobby pins, okay? That's the only way. So all I do is I take a layer in the front, okay? Part off a small section, okay? I'm taking a jumbo bobby pin and I'm just going to bobby pin this area down, okay? Just like that. I'm just going to apply just enough, whatever I need. You don't want those bobby pins to show. So make sure you're pulling the section in the back down. And if you need to add some more, go ahead and do so. Shape it and form it the way you want. So far I'm liking how that is looking. Some sections in the front are looking less defined. I'm just going to go in with that curly magic. Okay, just a little bit. Grab some sections that I want to define a little more and just twist it around my finger just to have those curls pop back a little. I can go in with some of that Midnight Train. And twist some sections around my finger. But I'm loving how it's looking so far. Like I said, super quick and easy hairstyle. So now that I'm done, I can just put all my products back into my kits. Now I will have it whenever I need it, and I will bring this out if I'm going on vacation, I'm going to travel, or I'm just maybe having just a quick weekend getaway, or I just leave this on my dresser. I don't put hair products on my dresser at all, but I'll leave this on my dresser whenever my hair is already styled. And if I want to restyle, I can just pull these products out and get a different look. This is the finished look. So I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I have to mention that this kit is perfect for any naturalista who wants to create those easy, quick hairstyles or even those intricate hairstyles, this is going to be the kit for you. So definitely check out their website to get more information on this kit. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all in the next one.